Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and welcome to the good, bad, and the ugly of homesteading. This is in collaboration with Rose of Wholesome Roots and a number of other YouTube channels, so please see the list below and Rose's page for more information. So one of the best things about homesteading is growing your own food. You have the most delicious food when it comes straight from your garden or harvested on your land, whether it's vegetables or meats or eggs, whatever you're growing on your property, it tastes so much better than grocery store bought. What was that? Uh-oh. Helix!
I think he was a little bit hesitant.
To go after the baby?
He was playing, so the baby took off and he didn't pursue. He could have got it if he wanted to.
Oh, geez. Let me get that baby back in.
But he was thinking really hard about it.
Baby, what are you doing out without your mama? There's a cat out on the loose. You don't want to be a cat food. And it's not the littlest one, I don't think. Well, it might be actually. They've just all grown so much. There you go, back in. Losing a chick to a cat would have been a bad thing of homesteading. These babies like to jump over the fence, especially the littlest one. I think it gets picked on a little bit and tries to escape that. Otherwise, if mom was out with it, like with those guys, the babies are protected. The cat would not go for it. Helix. Helix, what are you doing? Yeah, were you trying to play with the chicken? Because you're not allowed to play with the chickens. What'd you find? The good. What is it? Is it a frog? Or is it a bug? Whatever it is, it's gone now. Must have been good. What are you finding, Mama? I think we're hunting crickets. The good is being able to work outside a lot. I love working outside in nature. It's kind of my rejuvenation place. The bad is there's a lot of mosquitoes this year outside, and they seem to like me way too much, no matter what I put on myself. Good. When your garden naturally grows its own medicine for you. What other people consider a weed, which is a plantain, this one's an English plantain. If you chew it, rub it on a mosquito bite, it relieves the itch. Felix. Meow. Come on. Silly cat dog? Did you want to come hang out with me? Helix, come here. Well, come here, you goof. Really? That was a roundabout way. Did you want to go in the garden with me? Come on. Let's go in the garden. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think Mama's being Mom anymore. The ugly. Oh my gosh. When the mother hen starts attacking her chicks, it's time to put her back with the main flock. Felix, what are you doing? Just hanging out watching the world?
Thinking about a chicken dinner. Chicken dinner.
I've actually seen him do this when we had the fence around this area. He climbs the swing set and goes hang out up there. Time for breakfast. Fresh picked raspberries. The best kind of breakfast sandwich. Fresh eggs, fresh raspberries, in the end, good, bad, and ugly, I'd say it's mainly good. Take care.